वेलकम बैक टू कोड अफेयर्स। आज हम लोग देखेंगे कि हम लोग का जो लोकल पे प्रोजेक्ट पड़ा होता है उसको हम लोग गिट पे कैसे पुश करेंगे। ठीक है, सो सबसे पहले हम लोग गिटहब खोल लेते हैं और एक नया रिपोजिटरी बनाते हैं। न्यू रिपोजिटरी। नाउ वी हैव टू गिव अ नेम to list. This is our project and this is our project folder repository which are we going to make in github. Okay, now write some description. Used to add daily tasks. Okay. Now select it as a public so that anyone can able to see that. Now just create repository. Now you make the repository. Okay. Now you have to copy this command in order to push your project which is present in your local directory. Okay. Let me go to the local directory. Okay, this is our project. Okay, we have to push that project into our. Okay, first we have to, for dummy, we have to make a project, dummy project. Okay, now this is our to-do list project. We wanted that this project to push into the GitHub. So उसके लिए क्या करना होगा? We have to right click on it, refresh here. Now open the terminal. Let zoom in. Okay, firstly we have to copy the first command, that is git init. What it actually do? It will initialize a git folder in local directory. Okay, now it will initialize that. Okay, now copy the second command. What it will do, it will add a readme. Whether you can copy and you can leave it for later, you can edit in later. Okay, now we have to. Okay, after that there are the file. First we have to see what are the file present in the directory. Okay, these are the file is present in the directory. See that what are the changes we have made. Git status. Okay, these are the file need to be staged before commit. Okay, these are the file is added for this. Okay, so we have to save it, add it in the stage area. For that we have to hit add dot. So you can specify a particular file name, but since all the file changes have been done, we have to write dot. It will add all the file into the stage area. Okay, now we have to do the commit. Git commit. Okay, git commit minus sn and write down any comment we have mentioned. We have write the first comment. Okay, the first comment. Now it has been commented. We can see the status, git status. Okay, now there is nothing to comment, means it is already committed. But now what we can do, that we can add a branch. Okay, that is git minus n. Okay, we have to put it. Okay, now the current branch would be is main right now. Okay, git branch, you can see your branch too. Okay, this is a main branch. Now what we can do, that we have to add this repository, remote repository. Okay, so generally what it actually means, that I'll explain you. Okay, so it's saying that we have to add our local folder, local project to this repository which is remotely present. Okay, so we before going to push anything, we have to define that in our local folder is going to save in which repository in server. Okay, so this is our command, git remote add origin. Origin means we have to define the server in which our folder is going to save. Okay, now enter. Now we have to push it. So for that what we can do, just copy the command git. Okay, now paste it. Git push minus u origin minus. Okay. Now you push that. Now all your file folder are pushed to the server. Okay, now check it whether it is pushed or not. You just come here and just do refresh. Okay, now we can see that all the files and folders which are present in local system, that are pushed into the our Git repository. This is our main branch. and these are the file which we have just pushed it. Okay, now additional to that, suppose we have made some changes in our Git local system, local repository, local folder. Suppose we have make a file called abc. Okay, now what we can do that, now we wanted to push this additional file into the GitHub. First we have to clear this. Okay, how we can do that? First of all, see the status of commit. Git status. Okay, this is the file we recently added, abc.txt. First we have to add it in a stage area. For that we have to write git add sort. It will add it to the stage area. Now we have to do commit, git commit -n for comment. Now we have to write second. We can write any comment that would be related to that, so that it will helpful to you in future to understand that why you have done that comment. Okay, add the abc text file. Now enter it. Now it is added. Now we have to push the changes. For that we have to write git push origin name. Just enter it. Now it will push the changes which we have made into the remote server which we added the last time. Now this is added successfully. Now we can see that whether that file is added or not, and it is not showing. We have to refresh it.